Hey guys, welcome to another Metasploitable hacking series. Today's video will be discovering how to exploit vulnerabilities using Metasploit over Telnet. Well, what is Telnet? Telnet is a protocol for communicating with computers over network. But keep in mind, Telnet is not secure because it sends data with no encryption, unlike SSH. This means that sensitive information can be easily intercepted by an attacker. I'll demonstrate that shortly. How can an attacker use Wireshark to capture and analyze Telnet traffic? First, let's scan the target IP address. Nmap, in my case, this is the target IP address. I'll use -A. I'll keep it like that. Guys, if you're not familiar with nmap, just go and type nmap-h and see all the features that nmap has, and just go and play around and see all that features. So there are many ways how you can exploit Telnet. So in this instance, I'll be using Metasploit framework, which is MSF console. Search Telnet, log in. So we're gonna use number 1, then show options. We have to set some our host, which is in my case 10.0.0.120. This is the target IP address, the Metasploit IP address, and we have to set the pass file. We have to set the user file. And of course, stop on success. Just give it no. Stop on success mean if you keep it yes, it will keep trying other usernames and other passwords. So we don't want that. So just run the attack. This is what's happening behind the scene. It tries to match the password with the username. This is what the brute force means. It tries the combination between the list provided of usernames and the list of passwords. When the username and password matches, a session is being created. Our session is session 1. So let's just stop this and session 1. Boom, we're in. Who am I? PWD. We are in home, MSF admin, ls LA We're in. So now we have username and password. Let's use Wireshark and see how easy to retrieve data. Wireshark. As I mentioned before, Telnet is not secure. It doesn't use any encryption. So let's see that with Wireshark. Start capturing. Telnet. Admin. So we know the password and username. We're in. Let's stop this. Let's try to find Telnet packets and follow the stream. So as we can see here, there is no encryption. Everything is written in plain text. So that's really dangerous. There is the login, MSF admin, password. So there is no encryption has been used in here. So all your information is being exposed and can be readable. This is the end of the video. If you like the video, please share, like, and subscribe for more. Bye. See you in another one. So if you like the video, please share, like, and follow for more. See you in another video. See you.